Hi guys, Lee here again. Today I'll be explaining how you can monitor all conversation surrounding a brand on social media. We can do this by adding the social media handles and links to your alert. Almost everyone would like to track each time a link is posted, whether it's the direct URL to your homepage or a link to a specific sale on your website. Those links can be crucial in understanding where your brand is being mentioned. So I want to add Tesla's website to my Boolean query, along with their social media handles, ensuring that I collect any and every mention surrounding these brands on social networks. Beginning with social media handles, there's a couple of different formatting rules depending on which platform the account is on. For monitoring Twitter handles, we recommend using the full name of the handle, including the @ symbol. For example, @Tesla. With Facebook and Instagram, it's important to check the handle found on the page itself, just below the profile picture, as this can sometimes differ to not only the name of the URL, but also the vanity name used by the account as well. For YouTube and Reddit, just use the channel name and usernames as keywords respectively. Now onto website links. We'll use the special link operator found in Boolean search, and it too has a formatting rule to follow, ensuring that it functions as intended. First, remove anything prior to the domain name itself, which is usually https www, and then remove anything that comes after the domain TLD. So anything after the / on example.com /. Next, type the operator in the following format. Using the asterisks here in the beginning and end tells Awario to collect links that contain example.com but can start and end with any other formatting. We've set up our first Boolean query for my target business, added their social media accounts and URL, and added in some negative keywords to cut down on irrelevant results. This is the most commonly used format of Boolean queries.